Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another eyeshadow palette bingo video where I'm going to be completely randomising all of the shades in an eyeshadow palette and trying to come up with some sort of cohesive eye look. And today we are diving into the Succulent Dew palette from Singe Beauty. I have really been loving this palette. I am such a big fan. I am such a big fan of the formula. I am such a big fan of the colour story, and I'm so excited to bingo this palette today. So I have already got a full first impression video for this palette. I will leave that linked. Today we're going to be randomising all of the shades, picking 5, coming up with a look, and I will be doing at some point in the future 3 looks with video where I'm going to create 3 completely different looks. But today we are bingoing this in collaboration with the lovely Cole. So we post these videos at the same time. I post mine, she posts hers, and we decide who wins. Hopefully, again, hopefully I'm going to win because I've got some other things that I want to film today, but let's just get on into it. I will leave Cole's channel linked down below as well as this palette. I would love to hear what you think of this palette if you've got it, or just whatever thoughts you have got, but let's dive on in because I'm so excited. I am so excited about this colour story. I'm so excited to bingo it. Hopefully the bingo gods are in my favour. Let's just pick 5 shades. We pick at least 5 minimum. I think I'm just going to go with 5 today. So I have got all of the shades in the, don't show me an advert, I'm not interested, in the Tiny Decisions app. So let's pick 5. I can't say basically all of these names, so let's just make it up. Premier. I don't know. So first up, we have got the Matte Light Pink, which actually I really have been enjoying as like a transition-y tone. Very nice, very light pink. Basically the same depth as my skin tone, but obviously just pink. A nice matte option. Then we have got shade number 2. Opalina. That sounds like it should be shimmery. Oh no, it's not. It's another matte. It's the dark matte purple. Okay. I don't think I've used that one. Oh, I don't think I've used that one all that much yet. No, I haven't. That is a beautiful deep purple. Very nice. Okay, I definitely want at least one of the shimmers and at least one of the pastels. And then I'll be very happy, honestly. So, shade number 3. Astridia. Okay, so this is the sort of fuchsia matte pink. I really hope I get a shimmer. This one is exceptionally pigmented. Oh, the formula of this eyeshadow palette is incredible. I just really hope I get a shimmer because they are so good. The shimmers are so good. Drip, that is a shimmer. I know that one. That's the like white, icy, shifty shimmer. Okay, so it shifts a little bit purple. I really like that shade. And as always, it is shade 5 that always throws a spanner into the look. So I would be so happy just keeping it at 4, but we do set the rule for ourselves that we pick at least 5. So I'm like, we've got to pick 5, but just know that I don't want to. I want to just leave it at this. So, shade number 5. Please be something good. Bronzia. It's the black. Okay. Very pigmented black. You know what? I'll use it for a smoky wing. Oh, I've just done that swatch right over that shimmer. Oh, good job, Millie. Proud of you. You get the idea. So that's the colour story. I feel like it's darker than what I would usually go for, but you know what? I am not mad at that. I'm just going to have to be very careful with that black, because, I mean, I'm going to have to be careful with all of them because they are so pigmented. I mean, look, it's like stained my fingers, but that's fine. We can absolutely do a look with this. I feel like I subconsciously brought the pink with the outfit. Like, there's a lot of pink in this jumper. I'm wearing a very pink blush. So let's go ahead and create a look. It's gonna just be a smoky eye with a smudgy wing. We all know it, but let's zoom in. I'm gonna go wash my hand and we can create a look with these shades. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. Okay, so I've just applied a little bit of the Beauty Bay eye primer. I didn't have any eye primer on yet, just a little bit of concealer. So eye primer is on, and let's get into the shades that we have picked. I'm gonna start with that pink on a big fluffy brush. Not clean, we're not looking. We're not looking that closely. Going into Premier, that pink. And I'm gonna wiggle that all the way along, like above the crease. So this is like my transition tone. I have enjoyed this shade actually. It is a nice, it's not too bright of a pink. I feel like it will absolutely work for a lot of people because it's pigmented. I mean, I can see it, but it's not too bright of a pink. It's a nice sort of neutral. And obviously I've already got the rest of my face on, so I feel like I can really blend as far as my heart desires. I feel like I can really sort of take this all the way out, blend it up as far as I want, and I can also do the under eye at the same time, which is great. So happy with that. Then I'm going to take, oh, my mirror. I'm going to take a really, really small brush and let's go into, how do I want to do this? Let's go into Astridia, that bright sort of fuchsia-y pink. And, oh, that cat hair came off when I hit the brush then. Good. There's cat hairs on everything. Of course there is. And I'm going to keep that further into the crease. I will also put this under the eye a little bit. If you've seen my channel before, you know I'm not the biggest fan of a pink, but I feel like with the purple, the dark purple, and also that incredible shimmer, I feel like I can make this work. Also, I did a 3 looks with video for the new Day Day Signature, and I did a very pink look for that and I really enjoyed it, so I'm trying to like push myself out of my own comfort zone and use pinks more. Maybe they're not as scary as I have always made out. I'm just scared it's going to look like I've got an eye infection, but then I did that other look with the Day Day Signature and I loved it, so I need to not be a scaredy cat. It's fine. So I've got that pink placed down under the eye, and then I'm going back over with that first fluffy brush just to sort of soften it out and smudge it down a little bit, but without adding too much of that pink under the eye. I feel like that's where it starts to look a little bit eye infection on me when it's the under eye that's quite pink, you know? Or maybe I'm just being a scaredy cat. I need to stop doing that, but I do like the tone of that pink. It is very, very pretty. So I'm going to take that same brush, and I'm going to go into that dark purple, which was Opalina. Like, look how dark that is. It's so intensely dark. I really enjoy it, but tiny, tiny little dip into that. We can always add more, but we can't take it away once it's down on the eyeball. So let's tap that over the outer corner, and then I will add a little bit more light layers. I do very, very much enjoy the formulas here and the level of pigment. Like I say, this is the first palette that I've ever tried from Singe, and I really, really love the formula here. It's just very, very easy to use as long as you only pick up a small amount. You just need to light layers, like I say, like I'm dipping in, let me show you. Such little light layers because it is just so pigmented. But as long as you know that before you start like jabbing your brush into it and then going crazy, you're all right. Just approach with caution. I do like the level of pigment though, because it means that you can really build it up. Because I'm working in such light layers here, I'm finding it quite hard to get them the same. I feel like I'm just about there. Let's just take a tiny little bit more of that darkest purple. I feel like I've blended it across a little bit more on this eye, so let's take that darker purple right across. Yeah, you know what? I think we are pretty much there. So let's take my finger and go into drip. And I'm going to have to be very careful with this to firstly not jab my own eyeballs out with my nails because they're so long. And let's press this in. I don't want to get any fallout. This shade is beautiful. Oh, it's so good. It's like bright white but also purple. Like such a bright purple. Oh, such a pretty shade. Oh, I love it. So I am just taking that same drip shade on like a pencil brush to get right into the inner corner, because I'm going in 2 days to get my nails done. I'm like, it can't come soon enough. They are hanging on by a thread. And of course I don't know what I'm gonna go for, but it's fine. Yeah, I really like that shade right on the inner corner. It's bright enough, but it's still got that like fun little pop of a colour. Honestly, I feel like a purple smoky eye is a neutral smoky eye. Like, to me, this is a neutral sort of smoky eye. I'm just tapping in a little bit more of that incredible shimmer. I love purples, and I feel like this is leaning more purple than pink now, with that purple right on the outer corner. So I'm just going to go back in with that brush for the purple and just wiggle that over the outer corner, not with any more colour on it, but just to blend that shimmer in to the purple on the outer corner. And I think I'm happy with that. So now, dense liner brush, like a flat liner brush, and I'm going to go into, oh, bronzer, the black, and I'm literally going to dip into that, tap that brush right off, remove the cat hair. Honestly, they're on everything. Why is it not coming out? There we go. And I'm going to stamp this along the lash line. Lightly, lightly, lightly. I don't want any fallout. I like how my base is looking. Tiny little bit more. Tiny little bit more. And I'm going to do a smoky wing. Cute. I love it. I do feel like I have to hold my breath whilst I do a smoky wing, especially when I've got the rest of my face on and this black is so pigmented. It is scary, okay? It is scary, but you know what? We can do scary things. Is this the scariest thing I'm going to do today? Yeah, because it's my day off. I'm not doing anything scary today, apart from a smoky wing. But we can do scary things, and we can survive them, and we can thrive. I do feel like Cole is going to say that I cheated by just doing a smoky wing with that black. But honestly, tell me that this isn't the most Millie look you have ever seen. I mean, the wings aren't even remotely similar. But let's just look at one side or the other and not both at the same time. It is fine. I'm going to just spend a little minute going backwards and forwards with some of the matte shades. I'm just adding a little bit more of that Astridia, that hot pink, because I feel like I wanted a little bit more pink. I feel like there's two pinks in this look and you can't really see them. I blended a little bit crazy with the purple, so let's add a little bit more of the pink in. Yeah, I think I'm happy with that. Gone a little bit more pink. A little bit out of my comfort zone, just a toe out of my comfort zone, but I'm happy with that. I'm going to add mascara. What mascara am I going to use? I don't know, I haven't got one out. I'm going to add mascara and then we'll be done. There we go. We're done. We are done. I love it. I love it. Honestly, I wasn't sure when I picked these 5 shades. Just because genuinely I really don't like pink on myself, but then look at me, I added more pink. I really like how this has turned out. I would love to hear if you think I have won or if you think Cole has won this one. You can't beat a purple smoky eye. But also there's just so many options. Like imagine this, but with that bright blue right on the inner corner. I may have to add that for the next videos that I'm filming, but the eyeshadow palette bingo. The gods were in my favour today. I really like how this has turned out. So like I say, I will leave Cole's channel linked down below. Go and watch her video and let us know who you think has won. Oh, you just can't beat. Oh, a purple smoky eye. Oh no, I've got my hair clip stuck in my hair. Ah, don't panic. Don't panic. Oh, only dolphins can hear me now. Oh no, ow. Don't do that. Don't rip a chunk of your hair out. Concentrate on what you're doing. Concentrate on what you're doing. Let me know who you think has won. Let me know what you think of the look. I highly recommend, if you've got a new eyeshadow palette, you're wanting to play around with it in a few different ways, randomise all of the shades. Either do what Cole does and just pick 1 to 16, random number generator on Google, or be an organised queen, download an app, input all of the names and let it just pick for you. I love how this has turned out. I love a purple smoky eye with a little hint of pink and a duochrome. You can't go wrong. And a smoky wing, say less. I love it. But that is everything. I will leave everything linked down below, including Cole's channel, this palette, I don't know what I had for my lunch, but until next time, thank you ever so much for watching. Bye bye.